Hey, what's up guys? It's Jay with Short Point Creations, and once again we're talking about rust. This bandsaw table is absolutely covered in rust, and it looks like it's getting pitted. So this would be a good test to our method of removing rust from cast iron surfaces. So let's check it out. Let's try it and see what we can do. Here we go. So I wanted to bring you closer so that you could see actually how bad this surface is. This is pretty bad. But no worries, we'll work on it. You'll be amazed how this will come back to life. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is apply a liberal amount here of WD-40. Now I've tried a bunch of different products on here to use as a lubricant, and I find that WD-40 works the absolute best. So that's my recommendation. I've used it on multiple tables and had awesome results. Now with a Scotch-Brite pad, just start going with the grain and see how it comes up. Just see how it's going. As you can see with that WD-40 and just the Scotch-Brite pad, I mean, it takes the majority of it off. You know, letting that WD-40 penetrate is key. Alright, so we've given the WD-40 some time to penetrate. Now what we want to do is using just a standard palm sander with a 220 grit pad. Just go with the grain, nice and easy, nice and light, and try and take off this heavy rust here that didn't come up. And here's our final reveal. Now that we have the surface free of rust, the next thing I like to do is put on a tool surface lubricant to the table surface and the fence itself. What this does is it actually reduces friction between your material and the table surface, and it makes this so smooth the materials just glide across. Hence the name, I guess, GlideCote, right? So we apply this, and I usually put 2 coats on at a time, sometimes 3, depending on how bad the surface is, but we'll try it out and see how it goes.